Let me ask you a private question. How much money are you making every month? How much money do you really want to make every month? चलो लाखों बना लोगे आप, करोड़ों भी बनाओगे महीने का, पर at the end of the day क्या मतलब है? ज़्यादा पैसे भी बन गए, पर freedom नहीं है. If you're not able to live the life the way you want, travel you want, take vacation you want, if you're not living this life, तो पैसों का क्या मतलब है? You see, I'm here right now in Vancouver. I'm with one amazing friend, amazing entrepreneur. वो बचपन से ही उन्होंने entrepreneurship देखी है. His name is 𝗪𝗏𝗯𝗏. He has seen the money. He has seen the success. I have started seeing the result. I've started seeing the success. मैं अभी कुछ ही सालों में ताज़ा entrepreneurship सीखा है मैंने. But ultimately, everything boils down to one and only one thing. Do you have the life and the lifestyle that you want? If answer is no, then why don't you look for options? Why don't you look for some opportunities which gives you money also, time freedom also, passion, fulfillment also? When you can have everything in doing one thing, then why not you choose it? You may be in a job right now, or maybe running a small business. And if you do not have the freedom, I am telling you, you can have it all. My name is Dec2022. I was in a job, did not know what to do in life, was stuck there for 16 years. When I found this economy has changed, the way people make money has changed, business has changed. Fast forward today, whether I'm in Vancouver or in the US or in Dubai, it does not matter. I can travel the world, meet amazing people, do what I love doing. The best of all, I have freedom. This is what you should aim for. And if you're curious to know, Dev, how can I have freedom? How can I have it all? I have a good news. Click the link. I'm doing a webinar where I'm going to share the Passionpreneur Blueprint, 7-step process which is helping thousands of people to find their passion and do something beautiful with their life so that sirf money hi nahi, freedom bhi ho. Thousands of people are registering, and this wave, this opportunity is available right now. It's going to open for a very short period of time. So don't miss this opportunity. Find a way to build the life of your dreams, have freedom, do what you really love doing. I'll see you in the webinar.
I was in the lowest point of my life, but because of Dev sir and his words, I am here right now and I overcome that point.
My perspective towards seeing the business has changed. It's no more making money, but it's more like serving peoples.
People who haven't yet tasted the Passionpreneur movement or the blood, guys, you don't know what living life is all about yet.